Are you a lady looking for how to make money just by chatting on your phone? Then this video is for you. In today's video, I will show you one legit app that you can chat and earn online. This app, many females are using it to cash out. This app, you can earn by chatting, making calls, and get paid in real money. You can as well earn through live streaming. No office, no stress, just your phone and internet. Watch till the end because I will explain how they work, how the app work, how you can earn on the app, and how you can withdraw your money. Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time of coming across my channel, is your girl selling? In this my channel, I share about legit apps that you can make money online as a man or as a woman. So if this is the kind of video you like to watch, smash that subscription button right now so that you not miss any of my updates. So for you to get started on this app, all you need to do is just to click the link at my comment section or my description. It will take you to Play Store or APK Pure where you will download this app called Sela. So once you download it, register with your Gmail and select your gender as a female. If you're a man, for you to earn on this app is by playing game. Yeah, but female, they earn through calls, replying messages, and live streaming. So once you register with your Google account, then the app will open like this. Once it's open, the next thing is to click on your profile, click on me, okay, then it will ask you to do your face authentication. Once you want to click on your profile, to ask you to do face authentication, so put your profile picture, then you do your face authentication. After your face authentication, the next thing is to come here, come to this dot. Now you see this place, the right match mode. That is where you turn this button on. Okay, turn it on. Once you download the app and register, before you can turn this thing on, it will ask you to do face authentication. So after face authentication, then you come back here and turn this on. Okay, turn on match mode to get more calls. If you're on camera, calls connect automatically. If not, there is a 5 seconds countdown, and there 10 seconds call, you earn 30 coin. All right, so that is how to earn on this app. Once you register, make sure that you stay active for 30 minutes to 1 hour. This will make your account to be active and for you to receive a welcome bonus of 5,000 once you stay active after registration. Okay, they also have daily tasks where you can perform some tasks and earn reward. Okay, this is live party is now on. Go live with everyone. So for you to go live here, you need to meet their requirements. And what is this their requirement? You need to earn up to 30,000 diamond coin, and also your exposure needs to be great. Exposure is this one now. My own is on good. When I click it, you see very low, ordinary, good, great, excellent. So your exposure is supposed to be on great. Once it is on great, then and you have earned up to 30,000 coin, you can go live. This is their daily reward. Upload and pass review. Sexy photos, you get this. Once you make call which lasts for over 5 minutes, you earn this. Invite friend, daily check-in, like 50 users, receive rows, make calls greater than 20 seconds, that's 30, you earn 1,000 coins. Make calls that last more than 10 minutes, you earn 3,333 coin. Make calls with 3 people that last over 10 minutes, you earn 3,333. And this one is the one I'm telling you of going live. Daily reward. Go live for 2 hours to earn 10,000 coins. Only live sessions of 60 minutes plus will count. So once your live session is open, you need to live stream for 60 minutes before it will count. If you live stream less, even if it is 59 minutes, it won't, and you end your live stream, it won't count. You must live stream for 60 minutes plus before you can end your live stream. So their daily reward, completing these tasks, this is how you earn on this app. Yeah, completing the tasks, you earn. Answering call, you earn. Replying message, you earn. Going live, you earn. So once you earn up to 30,000 coin and your exposure is great, you'll be able to go live on Sela App. And when you go live, you earn 10K daily. All right. It's same here. This place is right live to earn. That is where once you earn up to 30K coin and your exposure is great, this live to earn. Now, once you click it, you'll be able to access your live button. So this is the live policy. Application requirements. The host has accumulated 30,000 coins. Target achieved. Host exposure reaches level great. Task achieved. So this is my own. That one you're seeing there, the exposure, it resets every day. All right. So that is why you're seeing my own on good. Daily reward. Once you go live for 2 hours, you earn 10 coin. So calls during the live show at least 5 minutes. Yeah, make sure that if you receive call during your live streaming, it must be up to 5 minutes. So you don't, no nudity, no swearing, no guiding users to other platform. The system will take action against violations of the rules. So make sure that you abide by the rules and regulation. So once you meet up this requirement, you click on apply for live access and live button will open for you. So for those from other regions, like Brazil, this is how your own tax reward is. When you stay on match mode for 3 hours, that is 180 minutes, daily for 5 days, you will receive $15. And when you're able to earn up to 200,000 coins within 5 days, you will earn another $7.5. So other regions tax is different from African tax. So be expected that your tax might be, each region tax will be different from each region. So bear that in mind. So any regions you're downloading the app from, whatever tax you see there, know that is the tax that your region have. All right. So the minimum withdrawal on this app is 70,000 coins. Once you have up to 70,000 coins, you can withdraw. So make sure that you, on your profile picture, you put a beautiful picture. All right. You can also update your profile picture, put more picture on your profile picture. All right. So that's it. This is how to withdraw. Click on the withdrawal side. Is showing CFA because I am living in French country. So the withdrawal method is through Binance or USDT. All right. So that's it. As you can see, this is my withdrawal history, my first withdrawal and my second withdrawal. So that's it. If you want to withdraw, you just click on buy bank card. You put your spender wallet, your USDT or your Binance. You bind it. Once you bind it, then you come this side and withdraw. That is how to withdraw on this app. So their new day is for 5 p.m. Nigerian time. Yeah, 5 p.m. Nigerian time. So you can as well invite your friend and earn on the app. So that's all about Sela Live Streaming app. So if you have any question, feel free to ask. I am here to answer you. Disclaimer, this video is just for educational purpose. I am not a financial advisor. I'm just sharing my experience on the apps that I've worked. Make sure that you make your own research before joining. Earnings may vary. Bear that in mind. All right. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and comment. Hit that subscription button, alright, because you will be getting updates back to back. Without no further ado, let's call it a day. Bye bye, guys. See you all in my next one.